again everyone, and welcome back to Maya Makes, Bakes and Creates. Today I'll be making Cookie Mallows from one of my favourite cookbooks by Nadiya. It is called Nadiya Bake Me a Story. It's even more special to me because I've got a signed copy of this book. You will need 200 grams of unsalted softened butter, 125 grams of light brown sugar, 100 grams of caster sugar, 2 medium eggs beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 175 grams of plain flour, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder, 200 grams of dark chocolate chips, 100 grams of roasted hazelnuts finely chopped, and 200 grams of marshmallows. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees fan. First, add the butter and the sugars to a bowl. Cream the butter and the sugar together using a handheld mixer or stand mixer till light and fluffy. Add the egg a little bit at a time and incorporate it into the mixture. Once that is done, stir in the vanilla extract. Now sieve the flour, bicarbonate of soda and baking powder into the bowl. Add the salt and start folding the mixture together. Then add the chocolate chips and the chopped hazelnuts and combine together. You can dollop mounds of dough onto the baking paper, making sure they're at least 5 centimetres apart. You should have 14 mounds of dough in total. Transfer to the oven and bake them for 12 minutes or until light brown on the edges. When the cookies are ready, transfer them to a wire rack and leave them to cool. In the meantime, melt the marshmallows in the microwave for 1 minute bursts. Wow, look how fluffy it is! We have had to adapt the recipe because when the marshmallows were in the bowl and they were melted, they were not easy to work with. So you're going to take a biscuit and pop a marshmallow in the middle. Keep doing that to 7 biscuits. Put them under the grill and wait until the marshmallows have melted. Finally, put the tops on to your Cookie Mallows. There you have it, your Cookie Mallows are ready. Don't they look delicious? I hope you enjoyed watching, and you can look back for more makes, bakes and creates. Bye!